Hi. I didn't expect to see someone like you here.
Hi. I didn't expect a place like this to feel so peaceful.
Is this your first time coming to a village?
Yes, and honestly, I feel shy.
Don't worry, you're safe here.
Your words feel very kind.
I live here since birth.
I live in a crowded city.
The city must be very noisy.
Yes, always busy, always loud.
Here, we listen to birds.
I like that sound already.
You look very different in a beautiful way.
And you look very pure in a peaceful way.
I feel nervous talking to you.
I feel calm talking to you.
Do you like this air?
It feels fresh, like my heart is light.
I can show you the river.
I would love that.
People here wake up with sunrise.
I wake up with alarm sounds.
We work with soil and water.
We work with screens and files.
Your life sounds very fast.
Your life sounds very real.
I never thought I could talk like this.
I never thought I could feel like this.
When I see you, my heart beats faster.
When I hear you, my mind feels quiet.
Are you scared to be here?
No, I feel safe beside you.
That makes me happy.
That makes me smile.
Do you want to sit here?
Yes, this place feels warm.
The wind is soft today.
And the sky is beautiful.
At night, the stars come here very close.
I want to see those stars with you.
I like talking slowly.
I like listening slowly.
I feel like time stopped.
I feel like I forgot the city.
Your eyes are honest.
Your heart is honest.
I wish you could stay longer.
I wish this moment could stay forever.
Will you remember this place?
I will remember you.
I never had a friend like you.
I never met someone like you.
You changed my normal day.
You changed my busy life.
I feel brave when I talk to you.
I feel soft when I talk to you.
The river is near.
I can hear it.
That sound is my favorite.
Now it's mine too.
I don't want to ask too much.
You can ask anything.
Will you come again?
I hope I can.
Promise?
Promise.
My village feels brighter now.
My heart feels lighter now.
I will miss you when you go.
I will miss you too.
It's getting late.
Time passed so fast with you.
I will walk you back.
Thank you. That means a lot.
This path feels special today.
This moment feels special too.
I feel shy again.
I feel warm again.
I don't want this to end.
Neither do I.
Look at the sky.
It's turning golden.
This is my favorite time of day.
This is my favorite time of life.
Do you believe in fate?
I think I do now.
Meeting you feels like magic.
Meeting you feels like a miracle.
I will wait here sometimes.
I will think of you sometimes.
Thank you for trusting me.
Thank you for protecting me.
I feel peaceful.
I feel complete.
Should I say goodbye?
Say, see you again.
Then, see you again.
See you again.
My heart will remember this day.
Mine too.